bela anugerah. What we do is we manufacture knit clothing, mostly knit. We can also do woven, but normally we do a combination, but mostly just knit. We passed to automatic cutting because we felt the need of being in the same technology level as other countries, as well as reducing our employees due to COVID, and to save and cut costs as well. We've had this Orox machine for around a year and a half. My experience with the Orox machine was really good because it's really effective, and it never really breaks or nothing. There was never really a problem using it. It was very easy. All of my employees could really work with the machine really well. With just a few times of training, it's very simple yet really effective. Focus assistance is very great because sometimes when we don't understand something, we have a group and we could just ask questions there, and they would directly reply us within like minutes, not even hours or days. And when we need assistance for anything, any problem we have, they would come right away. Yes, so that's very good. So we never really have to wait for the problem to be solved in like days. It's just like minutes. They would come and fix it.